think we can leave it like right here. What's going on?
Bikes aren't allowed on the sidewalk.
Oh, my bad. We're sorry. We didn't know.
Get them off the sidewalk.
Trying to find a place to park their e-bikes, these riders think they found the perfect spot, until an off-duty cop suddenly appears, questioning their friend about being on the sidewalk.
I'm off duty.
Yeah?
But you're still on the sidewalk.
You can do a lot off duty, huh?
What's that?
You can do a lot off duty?
Can I? I can arrest you just as much on duty as I can off duty.
For real?
Yeah,
I'm totally
you're being an
serious.
asshole. Just
Am
get
I?
them off the sidewalk so somebody doesn't get hurt.
No, yeah, of course. We're looking for a place to put them.
Yeah, well, off the sidewalk.
I prefer that bike ride right there.
No,
that's better.
That's not legal either.
Why?
Off the
E-bikes
sidewalk.
on bikes?
Nope.
Bikes? So I can't put an e-bike on a bike rack?
What CC is that?
There's no CC. It's electric.
What horsepower is it then?
Horsepower?
Yep. It's over.
0.08.
It's not allowed
Actually,
on the sidewalk.
for you to see the...
It's not on the load.
Let me finish talking real quick before you interrupt me.
You're done.
So see
Get off the
speeds,
sidewalk.
it's actually maximum of 23 miles an hour. It's not horsepower or CCs.
Wheelie a little bit ago.
Yeah, I did.
Yep, and that's illegal too, because that's showboating.
Showboating?
What's that?
Showboating?
You were showboating.
Oh.
That's exhibition driving is a statute.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
God. But be careful, you guys making a phone call. Let's go to another bar on the other side. Yeah, we don't want to bother nobody. We're just here to have fun. So we're gonna go to like other side where there's like no people. Yeah.
Good luck.
Huh?
Good luck. Just get off the sidewalk.
You don't need much luck for that. Connor, get off the road, man. Come on. The guy's telling you, bro. Oh my God, Connor, he's cursing at you. Be careful. I told him. He's stupid. He's stupid. Come on, let's get out of here, bro.
Riding with friends, it's hard to pinpoint exactly what caused this crash, but from my perspective, it looks like he either leaned too hard and slid out, or hit a patch of oil, causing his tires to lose traction.
Oh no!
You're okay, you're okay.
Oh no!
You good?
Fuck, yeah, I'm good. Oh, fuck.
On the highway, this pickup truck flies past this rider and starts swerving aggressively, almost like he's trying to get the biker's attention. Watch closely as things unfold. Sometimes, road rage escalates quickly. As the rider pulls alongside the truck, the driver throws something out the window. Unsure as to why he's being targeted, the rider tries to follow and figure out what's going on. And that's why I always say, if someone's acting like that, just separate yourself. It's not worth the risk.
Expressar. Ai, caralho. Filha da desgraça. Masuk grabe.
Approaching a roundabout, this rider gets cut off by a car and has no time to brake safely. To make matters worse, the car speeds off, forcing the rider to chase after them. Remember guys, always anticipate others' reckless actions and stay out of harm's way.
Masuk grabe.
Or you knocked me down there, man. You knocked me down. Lady, don't touch there. You knocked me down. But I wasn't. You came in all over. I'm recording here. Look, I'm recording. No, over there, look. Oh, you messed up my bike. Over there. Because you knocked me down, you broke my bike.
Check out these two cars in front of the rider as they leave the light. They cause nothing but issues for the motorcyclist, weaving and blocking the road.